we will sleep on the rooftop dahil sobrang init dito sa India. So, aray ko sa tatay. Dito rin kayo matutulog. Sobrang init kaya sa gabi, you know, kahit may ceiling fan kami, malaking ceiling fan namin. Sobrang init ng buka. Kaya we will sleep here for a while until the summer gone. Yan. Ayan. They are preparing. Where is the mosquito net? We have before, I think in the mosquito net, I keep it in their in Lakshmi Grandma room, the green one. Adlat! Wow! First time ko makakita dito ng mga kambing na sinusundan ng mga tao na inalagaan. Yun, fish pond. Minsan ginagawa nilang uruhan dyan. Uruhan. Ayun, ang dami dito ang bagong paso. Iba dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas. Pag never. Dito walang usap. Iba dito. Kalongchot. Ayan, mayroon daw gagawa ng itlog. Ayun, umupo na siya. Ayan, nag-iitlog siya daw. Bahay ni Jahid, yung kabilang ng asawa ko. Mga kasama. Yala, fix it there. Your madam is tired. The ugly madam is tired.
That's already. No zipper.
No zipper, you damage it because you guys always laying the pillow.
Long pillow, go.
Mama rito.
Ano labang ulunan?
Anatan.
Oh, yes. Hinay. Piyo. Adlat. The blue, the green one, we have it in their room. I keep it in their room. I don't know if we have. When?
हरियर के बाद दूसरा मसाला फाटल बा ना
Aduy! Paghihinay, God masuri.
Ano so kung may tangay na sa salas so sorry. Hey,
नहीं वो मसाला
Daddy, hey, who will sleep there? Who will sleep there?
Daddy will sleep here. And we will sleep here. Ganda. Maganda ka?
Ganda. ये मेरा बिद है.
Prepare the night, ha?
Why are you laughing?
Gugulo! Ay! Guluhin nga. Tapos natakuin nga. Ay! Ay, nako. Kaya matutulog hanggang sa matapos ang summer. Sobrang init. Hi, Rem! Sala, play. Sobrang init kasi. Yan, naglagay na ng ilaw ang aking asawa. Kasi walang ilaw dito sa rooftop. Yan, ang ganda-ganda rito. Matulog kasi mahangin, hindi mainit katulad sa baba. Sobrang init sa gabi. So, kami matutulog. May mosquito kami. Mosquito net. Ayan, i-off ko na. Mamayang gabi ako nag-video.
Guys, Daddy is fixing the bed. We are asleep here in the app.
We will sleep here on the rooftop because it's really cold downstairs.
And hot. And mommy is alone.
चला गया स्लिप
And the big one. She will sleep here. Her mom, she will not sleep. Because she don't want her mom. She will sleep here. Kalas by now.
Pakataga nga, hindi pakataga.
Daddy is, mommy's here. Look, sleeping. Daddy's here, working. One. finish. Bye.
पूरा दबा बंद कर
Thank you for watching.
Arating video maporod. Kamot arating kamot nakabutan. Kadi ako nag-video. Mananap. So we're here on the rooftop. We're going to sleep here because it's really hot downstairs. Look, my husband and Ren. Here, mates here.
Careful, don't time.
I sleep alone here on the bed.
You guys want this one? Please, because you feel for related. Hold. Tulong mo na ako na isi.
Okay. Well, good night, guys.
What's the smell? You know better, yeah?
No, I did not make bad.
So it's morning here. Paris still sleeping. It's really nice to sleep here in the rooftop because it's really cold. Like we have AC here until downstairs. And unlike downstairs, it's really hot. Really hot. Morning.
Ram. Good morning.
Pari. Yeah. Still sleeping. Yala, wake up.
You should do exercise, Rim. Come.
It's 5:30.
I sleep little.
She have school today. Alas, oh, kalaki. Bye. Good morning. I like to sleep here. I like to sleep. I love to sleep here. Pari, exercise na, Pari.
Mama, kaya ka rin umis.
Hindi ako makaka-split. Yan.
Trembling. Practice trembling, you will forget trembling. Go.
Tumbling.
This is wrong. Your
Be careful.
is correct. No, this is wrong. Your become is correct.
You are also.
No, it's straight.
Oh, that's not
Be careful, be careful.
good. You don't like.
I like me try, Lakshmi try.
Practice there, you will not forget. Do you will forget maybe. I saw in the field they are playing many small baby. They are practice in the field, playground. They are in Dharampur. Play.
Be careful, ha? Almost.
Kailangan pa.
Practice many videos.